Welcome to Montgomery County Community College, home of the Mustangs. My name is Michael Harcum, the Director of Admissions here at the college, and thank you so much for spending this time with us for our online open house. During this online open house, you'll have the opportunity to connect with our students, our faculty, and our staff. While you're here, please, no matter what questions you have, make sure you do ask them. There's no such thing as a question too large or one too small. So, very important reminder, please make sure you're using Google Chrome for the best browser experience and disable your pop-ups. With no further ado, I'd like to introduce our esteemed president, Dr. Basteki Perez.
Hello, I'm Dr. Vicki Basteki Perez, proud president at Montgomery County Community College, and I welcome you to our open house. For nearly 60 years, Montgomery County Community College has been providing services for educational, cultural, and workforce needs at all ages and stages of life. Today, you will have the opportunity to engage with our talented faculty, to learn about our programs, our essential needs, resources that we have available for you so that you can have a unique, well-supported experience. At Montco, your unique educational experience will prepare you academically and professionally to achieve your goals. So again, welcome to Montgomery County Community College. Please ask your questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Basteki Perez. I appreciate it. My name is Ian Campbell, and I'm the coordinator for admissions and recruitment here at Montgomery County Community College. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is down right here next to the video in red writing is the link. This is the link to copy for this very page. What you can do is you can use this link to come back to this page without having to refill out the attendance form. All right, once you've got that, our live section goes from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. If you look down there in the expandable section, you'll see that there's a collapsible section where you can look at the live sessions. In the live sessions, you can see the 5 different divisions that we have at the school, and below that, they're majors. Click in the area where you're interested in, and you can attend one of the live sections and talk to faculty or staff. You don't have to spend all your time in one place. You can skip between them both, and then below those tiles, you'll see that we have 3 more sections. One is Montco outside the classroom. What are you going to find outside the classroom? You're going to find all out about student life, student organizations, student support services, and you're also going to find information about athletics and our esports. Below that, you'll also see that there's a link to meet some alumni and students that went to this school. So you can get an idea of your student experience while you're here at the school. And then below that, the last live room that we have open between 6 and 7 p.m. is the nuts and bolts section. And it's in that section that you'll be able to find information about the admissions process. We can help you there, answer your questions about how you apply. Of course, you just go to mc3.edu/apply and you can get there, but we can help you walk you through the steps to get you meeting with an advisor so you're registered for classes as soon as possible. Now, once 7 o'clock happens, below that, all the way down at this page, you'll see that we have a bunch of videos there. You can consume those at your leisure. Those videos will stay posted so you can watch the videos on different things. And of course, you can find out about our admissions process again. You can find out about esports. You can find out about athletics. You can find out about different academic programs. They're all on videos and they do not close at 7 p.m. so you can take your time and view those at your leisure. Thank you for coming to our online open house. I hope you have a great time.